Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you all children? I hope you all are fine, and I also hope that you are doing your studies regularly. Yes, I hope you are practicing all that you are learning in maths. Children, are you using your time properly? Have you heard your mother saying don't waste your time, or must have heard your mother saying it's time for you to study, or it's time for you to have your food, or when she is waking you up in the morning she always must be using the word like it's time for you to wake up, isn't it? So what is this word time? Why is it been used so much? Or how do we know what time it is? How does your mother know that it's time for you to eat, or it's time for you to do your studies, right? How do you think your mother knows that what time it is? What is that she uses? She uses a clock, right? She uses a clock to know what time it is. Right. So, today we are going to do the same thing in our maths class. We are going to look into how to read the time. Okay. So, the next chapter that we are going to do today is time. Now, to know what time it is, we need a clock. Can you see the clock on the board? Yes, we use these type of clocks. In your house, you must be having this type of a clock on the wall, right? We call it a wall clock. The clocks that we put on the wall, we call them wall clocks. You must be wearing a watch on your hand also, isn't it? That is a wrist watch. Okay, there also we see the time and we will know what time it is, right? So, there are different types of clocks. Now, some clocks you will find they are in this form where there are numbers, and you will find these type of needles on them, right? So, these type of clocks are analog clocks, but all the clocks are not in this form, right? Sometimes you must have seen the clocks which have only numbers on them. You will not find these type of needles on those clocks, only numbers are there. Those type of clocks are called digital clocks. Okay, so there are two types of clocks, analog clocks and digital clock. But today we will try to know or to learn how to read the time on these type of clocks, analog clocks. Okay, reading digital clock is very easy, but we should know how to read the time on analog clocks also. Okay, now if you see on the clock, you have numbers from 1 to 12. Okay, and there are two needles. Okay, let's find out what names we can give to these two needles. Now, you can see I have written here hour hand and minute hand. This small needle that you see, this is the hour hand. Okay, and this needle that you see over here, the long one, this is the minute hand. Okay, minute hand and hour hand. Now, this hour hand, it moves very slowly. Okay, it moves it moves around the clock, but it moves very slowly compared to the minute hand. Minute hand also goes round the clock, but it goes little fast compared to hour hand. Okay, so this minute hand is long and it moves faster. It goes fast, and the hour hand is short and it moves very slow. Okay. Now, we should also know that in one day there are 24 hours. Okay, so 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours, like this there are 24 hours in a day, and in 1 hour there is 60 minutes. Okay, 1 hour has 60 minutes. Now, when the minute hand starts from 12 and goes round the clock, that is when it takes one round, it completes 60 minutes. Now, 60 minutes means 1 hour will pass. Understood? From 12, when the minute hand moves round the clock and comes back again to 12, it means 60 minutes have passed. Okay, so 60 minutes means 1 hour has passed. Okay, at the same time, this hand, the hour hand, also moves slowly. Both the hands move together, but only thing, the speed of these hands is different. The minute hand moves fast and it completes one round. At the same time, the hour hand moves very slowly and it will move from one number to the next number. Okay. So, when the hour hand moves from one number to the next number, 1 hour is complete, whereas the minute hand goes full round of the clock in 1 hour. Okay. So, we will try to read the time today using this type of clock, and the type of time that we are going to read today is o'clock. Okay, we are going to read the time, that is o'clock. Now, o'clock means, what do we mean by o'clock? O'clock means the minute hand will be pointing towards 12. Okay, when minute hand is pointing towards the number 12, that is o'clock. Okay. Now, here on this clock you can see that the minute hand is pointing towards the 12 and the hour hand is pointing towards which number? 2. So, how will we read this time? We will read this time as 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. Okay. This o'clock means if the minute hand is pointing towards 12, and then our hand will point towards the number, and that hour, that o'clock we have to read it. Okay. So, 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock means minute hand is at 12 and our hand is towards 2. Now, this is one way of writing the time. The another way, that is digital form of writing the way, is 2, then we put 2 dots, we call them colons, and 0, 0. This is how we write the time in digital form, or digital clocks you will find 2 o'clock written like this. Okay. So, 2 o'clock, or this also 2.00. Okay. These are the two ways in which we can write the time. Now, we will try to read the o'clocks which are there on these 4 clocks over here. In the first clock here, we can see that the minute hand is towards 12. If you see all the clocks, in all the clocks the minute hand is pointing towards 12, because we are trying to read the o'clocks. Okay. Now, the minute hand is towards 12 and our hand is pointing towards the number 4. So, how will we read this time? We will read it as 4 o'clock. Okay, 4 o'clock. And the other way of writing the same time is 4.00. Okay, this also 4 o'clock, this is also 4 o'clock. So, there are two ways of writing the time. Okay. Now, next we will read this time. Here again the minute hand is pointing towards 12. So, it is o'clock, right. Now, what is the hour hand pointing at? The hour hand is pointing at 9. So, how will we read this time? We will read it as 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Okay. The other way of writing this time is 9:00. Understood, children, what we mean by o'clock? O'clock means the minute hand will be pointing towards the number 12. Okay. Now, next, in this clock again the minute hand is towards the number 12. So, it is o'clock. And where is the hour hand? Hour hand is pointing towards 6. So, what is the time over here? 6 o'clock. And the other way of writing this time is 6.00. Understood? Next, look at this clock over here. Again, our minute hand is pointing towards 12. So, it is o'clock. Now, we should know the hours also, right? So, here the hour hand is pointing towards 7. So, what is the time over here? It is 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. How will we write this time in digital form? 7:00. I hope you have understood. It's simple, isn't it, to read the o'clock? If you find the minute hand pointing towards the number 12, it is o'clock, and then we have to look at the hour hand, at which number it is pointing. So, it is very simple to read o'clock time on analog clocks. Now, children, what you have to do is, now at every o'clock you have to note down what work you have done. Like for example, 1 o'clock what did you do, 2 o'clock what you have done. So, keep a note of it, okay, at every o'clock what work you have done, Okay, so keep a record of it and inshallah keep practicing to read the time. We'll meet very soon with our next topic. Till then, stay at home and be safe. Jazakumullahu khaira. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.